Have you heard
Yeah.
about this company, Microstrategy, somewhere? It's not highly successful recently.
Oops. Yeah.
The cash
Negative,
flow is negative.
negative.
So in our app, we would not recommend this company based on their cash flows, recent cash flows, right? Because the negative cash flow is high risk. All that is good, right? But if that is the case, why is the company so highly valued? Because it's running on Bitcoin. So the valuation of the company is directly proportional to the growth of Bitcoin. And also,
Yeah.
also something interesting I'll show you, right? IBIT is the Bitcoin ETF.
Yeah.
And if you see, so we have that ETF here. And if you see the growth in the last 1 year, it's 105%. So Bitcoin has technically grown around 100%, right? Doubled in the last 1 year, right? So you would expect that MicroStrategy's holdings in Bitcoin will also double, right? That's logical, mathematical, right? But when you see the growth of this company, it's more than double. It's like three times. So
Huh.
why is that? And then if you look at 5 years, it's like 3,600%. It's
Yeah.
enormous,
Yeah. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So why don't people just buy Bitcoin, right? Why are they investing in this company? Now this has become a speculative company. And if Bitcoin goes up by a certain percentage, this jumps up multiple times. And that's what I've been noticing in the last 2 years, especially since Jan 2024. If you notice this, it was $55 and it's almost 450 now. So it's a huge
Yeah.
increase within 1.5 years or so, right? So it has completely become a speculative asset, and people are just hope investing in it, hoping that they could see similar returns in the future. And that's where we are. So what do you think about this?
That is crazy. That is like, that is insane. And why not just to buy Bitcoin rather than invest in the company?
No, that's
I
because
don't really.
so if I'm an investor, right, I'm seeing this trend. So I might see, okay, if I invest in Bitcoin, I get twice my money. But for whatever reason, this stock goes up more than the gain that Bitcoin is showing, right? So I might jump into this one as a speculative asset. I've seen very smart people just buy this because they're hoping that this will go much higher than Bitcoin.
Wouldn't it fall much lower than Bitcoin if something goes
That's
wrong?
a great point. That's a great point. That's exactly what people should be worried about, right?